Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 1 math. Let's just start with the chapter time. And we're going to start with the first lesson, that is read a calendar. So we're going to learn how do we read a calendar. So usually calendar looks like this, right? Let me just explain. So listen to me carefully. This very first line, this is the name of the month, right? Then the line right below here you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is the names of the days, right? And then right below each line, like here is Sunday. So all the Sundays are on 7th, 14th, 21 and 28th of the month, right? Same way right below the Monday you have all the dates that have that on you have all the dates that have Monday, right? Then right below Tuesday you have all the dates that have Tuesday, right? Like on 2nd January it's Tuesday, on 9th January it's Tuesday, 16th it's Tuesday, 23 and 30 it's Tuesday, right? So this is the list of the days and the then list of the dates that have the same days, right? So let's just start with the first example. Today is January 29. What day of the week was the day before yesterday, right? So today is 29th. Yesterday was 28, right? That means you have to go 27. Day before yesterday is 27. The correct option is 27. Got it? Day below, day before yesterday is 27. If today is 29, yesterday it's 28, and before 28 it's 27. Got it? So that means day before to yesterday is 27th. You have to see the day, sorry, was the day. So day 27th, Saturday it is. So that means the day before yesterday is Saturday. Got it? Okay, so I'm going to start with the test questions. One important thing is if you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply contact any tutor through this live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? Let's just start with the test questions. On what day of the week is the seventh day of the month? You have to see seventh day of the month. So seventh day of the month means 7 it is, right? You have to see what day on seventh. So here is the seventh day of the month, right? And the seventh day of the month is Friday. So the correct option is Friday. Got it? Okay. The correct option is Friday. Today is April 20. What day of the week is tomorrow? Tomorrow is the day that is about to come, right? So if today is April 20, tomorrow is April 21. And which day it is on 21? April 21 it is. On 21st, Sunday it is. The correct option is Sunday. What month does the calendar show? So which is the correct option? The correct option is January, right? The first line shows the name of the month. So here is the first line that shows January. So the month is January. Got it? Okay, the next one is how many days are there in September? So you have to see how many days. So the last day of the September is 30, right? That means there are 30 days in September. So the correct option is 30. Got it? You just have to see the calendar carefully. All the information is given on the calendar. Okay, on what day of the week does the month end? So you have to see the last. What day of the week does the month end? So the month end on 30th, right? Here it is, and on 30th it is Monday. The correct option is Monday. Option number one is the correct option. On what day of the week does the month begin? So which is the correct option? The month begins on first, right? And on first it is Saturday. So the correct option is Saturday. If today is July 10th, what day of the week is it? So you have to see on July 10th what day it is, right? Here is July 10, right? So the day on July 10 is Sunday. It is the correct option is Sunday. What month does the calendar show? So which is the correct option? The very first line shows the month of the week. Sorry, the very first line shows the name of the month. So the correct option is October it is, right? The correct option is October. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is months of the year. So we have 12 months in a year. They are starting from January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So which month is it? The like today is second. Which month just started? Do you know the name of the month? Okay, so let's just start with the first question, that is first find May, then find the month just after May. So you have to find the May in the list you are given. Here is the May, and right next to May is June. So the correct option is June. That means after May it is June. Okay, so I'm going to start with the test questions. If you need help with any of the lesson, you can click on this live chat button, right? Tutors are available there to help you. Which month comes right after October? So next to October is next to October is November. So the correct option is November it is. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is November. Which month comes just after November? So after November it is December it is. After November, that is December. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is which month comes just after August? So which is the correct option? The correct option is after August it is September. The correct option is September. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which month comes right after September? Which is the correct option? The correct option is after September it is October. The correct option is option number 2. Which month comes right after May? So which is the correct option? After May it is June. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Which month comes just after December? Which is the correct option? The correct option is after December, it's going to be New Year, that is January. The correct option is January. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is seasons of the year. So usually we have four seasons in a year. They are winter, spring, summer, and fall. So they goes like the cycle. If the it starts with like winter, then right next to winter it is spring, then after spring it is summer, then after summer it is fall, and then again after fall it is winter. That's a cycle that keeps going on, right? Okay, so what season comes just after fall? So just after fall it is winter. You can keep this cycle in your mind. So right after winter, after fall it is winter. The correct option is winter, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What season comes right after fall? Which is the correct option? The correct option is after fall it is winter. The correct option is winter. Option number one is the correct option. That's the same question we just did on the tutorial, isn't it? What season comes right after spring? So, which is the correct option? After spring, it is the correct option is after winter. Sorry, after spring, it is summer. The correct option is summer. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is what season comes before winter? So, you have to see before winter, it is before winter, it is fall, right? The correct option is fall. What season comes just after summer? So, which is the correct option? Just after summer, it is just after summer, it is Fall. Option number one is the correct option. Fall it is. Okay, the next one is what season comes just after fall, which is the correct option? The correct option is after fall it is winter. The correct option is winter. After fall it is winter. Option number two is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is what season comes just before spring? So, which is the correct option? After spring it is win. After spring it is fall. The correct option is fall. Option number one is winter. Oh, sorry, before spring. Sorry, before spring. Yes, it is winter. The correct option is winter. What season comes just before winter? So, which is the correct option? Just before winter it is. After before winter it is fall. The correct option is fall. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is days of the week. So how many days are there in the week? There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, then you have Saturday, and then you have Sunday again, right? So, which day comes after Wednesday? You have to see which day is after Wednesday. So, after Wednesday, it is Thursday, right? So, the correct option is Thursday. I think all of you know, all of you must have remembered these names already, right? So, if you haven't, you can learn them now, right? Which day comes after Tuesday? So, which is the day after Tuesday? The correct option is after Tuesday, Wednesday. It is option number one is the correct option. The next one is which day comes after Sunday? Which is the correct option after Sunday? It is The correct option is after Sunday, it is Monday. Option number one is the correct option. Which day comes after Thursday? So, which is the correct option? After Thursday, it is Friday. Option number two is the correct option. Which day comes after Wednesday? So, which is the correct option? After Wednesday, it is Thursday. It is after Wednesday, it is Thursday. Okay, which day comes after Friday? Which is the correct option? After Friday, it is Saturday. Option number one is the correct option. Which day comes after Monday? Yes, Tuesday it is. Option number one is the correct option. After Monday, it is Tuesday. Okay, which day comes after Saturday? That is after Saturday, it is. Yes, Sunday it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is time and clock word problems. So let's just see. Okay, Vicky started picking apples in an orchard at 3. She filled 3 buckets in 4 hours and then stopped. What time was it when Vicky stopped picking apples? So he started at 3, right? And he keep adding apples for 4 hours. You have to calculate a time when he end, right? So start with 3 and count up to 4 hours. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means when he ended, that is 7 o'clock, right? The correct option is 7. It is right. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Tim made lasagna for dinner. He put the lasagna into the oven at 5 and took it out 1 hour later. What time was it when Tim took the lasagna, which is the correct option? So he put it in oven at 5, right? And after 1 hour when he took out, right? So which is the correct option? So after 1 hour, 6 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So that means when he took out from the oven, that is 6. The correct option is 6. Shontal went sailing with her parents. They got on the boat at 9. They were on the boat for 3 hours. What time was it when Shontal and her parents got off the boat? So which is the correct option? So he started at 9, right? And they were boating for 3 hours. So start with 9 and count up to 3 hours. So which is the correct option? 9, 10, then 11 and 12. So the correct option is the correct option is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. It started snowing at 7 o'clock. The snow stopped falling 1 hour later. What time was it when it the snow stopped? So which is the correct option? So the correct option is the correct option is 8, right? After 1 o'clock it is. After 1 hour it is just 8 o'clock. So the correct option is 8 o'clock. Brennan took a math test. The test started at 1 o'clock and was 1 hour long. What time was it when Brennan's test ended? So, which is the correct option? That is, he started at 1 and that 1 hour long. So, that means he ended at 2 o'clock. The correct option is 2 o'clock. Dale went on a tour of a pencil factory. The tour started at 3 and lasted for 1 hour. What time was it when the tour ended? So, which is the correct option? That is 4. The correct option is 4. After 1 hour, it would be 4. The next one is Vivian decided to volunteer at the library. Her shift start at 11. She volunteered for 2 hours. What time was it when Vivian finished volunteering? So which is the correct option? Mm, Yes, 12 o'clock. The correct option is 12, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is time of everyday events. So let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself. They are already solved. Josh is washing his hands before lunch. What time is it? 1 o'clock or 5 o'clock? Lunch time it is, right? Usually people do lunch in the around the mid of the day, right? So is it 1 or 5? John is washing his hands before watching. Yes, that is 1 o'clock, right? The correct option is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option because that's the lunch time. So lunch usually do by 1. Okay, the next one is Rosa is standing in the lunch line. What time was it? So again, she's standing at the lunch line. Is it 5 o'clock or 11 o'clock? The correct option is again that's lunchtime. So that is around 11 o'clock, right? Not 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock is in the evening, right? And we do lunch in the middle time. Rona is listening to bedtime story. What time is it? 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So that's a bedtime. So what time it is? That is Rona is listening to bedtime story. So then it is 9 o'clock, right? 9 o'clock is the bedtime. Carrie is eating breakfast. What time was it? 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So which is the correct option? 8 o'clock it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Regan is taking the bus home from school. What time was it? Which is the correct option? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is time, and the lessons we have covered from the chapter are read a calendar, months of the year, seasons of the year, days of the week, and times for everyday events. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? Or if you have any question, you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.